What is an appraisal? Well, this is a question that we at the Key Advantage team get asked pretty frequently. So today I'm here to shed some information with you on all things appraisal. Appraisals can be used for a variety of purposes, such as taxation, determining property value, insurance purposes, or even expropriation. Most commonly, we encounter appraisals when a buyer has purchased a property and the lender is appraising it to determine their valuation of the property. Another thing we're asked frequently is, well, hey, what happens if my appraisal comes in lower than the purchase price on the contract? Well, if a buyer does not have tons of cash to cover the difference between the purchase price and the appraised price, this can be where trouble comes into play. So, you want to ensure that you have professionals who know how to navigate the market, ensure that you are buying a property at market value, and are getting the best deal out there. If you need any help to do with appraisals or securing a home for the right price, don't hesitate to call the Key Advantage team today. We're together to serve you better and here for all your real estate needs.